refer to be charged. Maurice Dalrymple, a common criminal, she confessed to defraud the people. And the worst of all is the Prime Minister who in the court battering for his political career and battering for his constitution right. Never in the history of Jamaica.
Where's about the 10,000 people?
We swap America, criminals, rapists, for our Cuban doctors. That's what we did. Archie Marx and the Jamaica Labour Party crawl on their belly and beg Americans for a deal. Not America push up a deal for them Jamaican.
Them say boy, them not give me mic and them want talk, and that dep on him heart. Every Jamaican have them own reason. Every Jamaican have them own reason why them deep stand up and say something. Come out on the colors, you're not gonna feel it. 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 Jamaica, you're not gonna feel it. You're not feel not yet. You're not gonna feel it. You're not feel it yet enough.
Alright. People, when no one come out, people. All the people not be a blogger. One day.
You know Durval that every protest. Durval organize every protest. It's the fifth element here, people. Fifth element. They came and take off your glass when they see her. See her there.
One Jamaica. Not one Jamaica united we stand.
Breaking news, break nothing.
Organize and centralize and come up. Let's take it to the 14 parishes. Let's take it to the 14 parishes.
People in the Jamaica stand up. I don't know what people there are grassroots. I don't know what people there are. I don't know what people there are ready for the country unite. We don't want no thief and no more murder in our country. And who knows how to bring down crime and violence. So you bring more people in there, so more criminal panther by people them. That don't make no sense. Counter-protect, productive. It don't make no sense. And the funny thing about it, you lie to people them. If it clean and never go up, they're gonna dig up. We wouldn't know. Say 10,000 criminals come sit alongside the way. We don't know if it come out of our country. We should be charged with treason. Treason. I don't know if it hang straight. So lucky son in the parliament. Hang. That me say.